This is a syringe pull to clean the air from the head and to prime the head. We're going to begin by unlocking the head to have a little more space. Move it a little bit to the left. You're going to pull the line closest to you. You're going to connect it to the syringe. Once you do that, you're going to lock the head again. Then you're going to pull all the way to 40 cc. And you're going to do it slowly. Make sure it comes out. Once you fill up to 40, you're going to unlock the head again. Pull all the way to 60 to get all the excess air. And once you do that, you remove it from the syringe and you put it back in its place and lock the head again.